question? No, Swamiji. Whenever we come back to this waking state, this world is same. I have same car, same house, same wife. It's not changing. But in the dream state, whenever I enter into the dream state, I have different car, different house, and different wife, you see. Different wife. And dream state things are different. How can you say this and that are one and the same? You may ask. Please be very clear. The question may look logical, but it is not logical. You should understand one subtle truth. For example, sometimes you live 10 years of life in one night dream. Am I right? 10 years of life is lived in one night dream. In one night dream, you take birth, grow, and finish your education, do so many things. It means in the 10 years, have you not slept? Inside the dream, you fall asleep and come back to same dream and play the game, and fall asleep, come back to same dream and play the game. Understand, it's a very subtle but truth. If you give your attention, you can understand the truth. The very understanding of this truth will totally transform your inner space. See, in the one night, in just one night dreams, you live one full life, sometime 10 years or 20 years, even 30 years. In that 30 years, you have many times fallen into unconsciousness, sleep. Then you come back to the same dream and play with the dream, again fall asleep, come back to the same dream, play into the dream, again fall asleep. Be very clear, how you live 30 years in one night dream, same way you are living your 70 years in a one life dream. Life is a longest dream. Dream is short form of life. Small life is dream. Long dream is life. Let it be very clear. The very concept of time itself is illusion. That is why in one night, 10 hours of, in 10 hours dreams, you live 30 years of life. 30 years of life is lived in one 10-hour dream, one night dream. How is it possible? Because the time concept itself is created by your mind. The concept of time itself is an illusion. It is completely illusion. That is why Ramana Maharshi says beautifully, whatever you see, as long as the seen, seer, and the action seeing, if the three are there, be very clear, you are in illusion. Somebody asked me, Swamiji, if that is the case, how is seeing an enlightened master in dream state is going to help us? Because I am also one more dream for you now. And be very clear, really we can't be sure that you are sitting in temple and listening to the discourse. It can be dream. Suddenly you may wake up and understand you are lying in your bed and dreaming that you are sitting in a temple and listening to the discourse. You may think, no, I can pinch myself. You can pinch yourself in dream also. In dream also you can pinch yourself. Let it be very clear. There is no scale to measure whether you are in awareness or dream state. You can do whatever you are doing now, whatever you can do now, you can do everything in dream also. In dream also you can be sure that you are not dreaming. The big problem is the moment you suspect whether it is dream or reality, you will come out of the dream. You can always see. Whenever you seriously suspect what you are seeing, your awareness and attention will be turned towards the seer. Now, as long as you don't suspect the reality of what you are seeing, your awareness will never be turned towards the seer. The moment you suspect the truth or the reality of the scene, the moment you suspect, immediately your awareness will be turned towards the seer. You will be awakened.